साधु दर्शनम पाप विमोचनम. Om Vedavyasaya Namaha. The fabulous darshana called Vedanta Darshana is the logical, philosophical truth of the holy Vedas. The Purva Mimamsa contains all the systematic methodology, the customs and systems of all the rituals. The Mantra Samhita, which includes all the hymns and poems to invoke the mighty phenomenal forces of the universe, is called Samhita. What the Samhita declares is performed by the rituals of different styles for different purpose is called Brahmana. The invoked gods, the performed rituals together to be followed in contemplation. This is called Upasana, called Aranyaka, and the pure declarations of the experiences from the experienced by the experiments done to the reality is called Upanishads. Upanishads are the ultimate declarations of the experiences experienced by the experiencers on the level of highly meditated style. Thus, it's the post-graduational metaphysics to be realized. So, this knowledge of the Vedas put together with logical conjunctions, with logical reasoning, along with practical technology is called Vedanta Darshana. Thus, Vedanta Darshana includes the view of life as well as the way of life. Here, who is the most absolute faculty? The Jivatma living in this existing world called Jagat has to realize Paramatma called Ishvara. So, the knower is Jivatma, the known is Paramatma, and the relation between Jivatma and Paramatma is called knowledge or knowing. A man is thirsty, he has to drink water. The drank item is water. The man is a drinker, and the relation between drank and drinker is drinking. So, the subject, the object, and the relation between subject and object. This is highly to be understood before we enter into the philosophical sutras of Vedanta Darshan. 555 sutras known as Vyasa Sutras, also known as Sharirik Sutras, declares about Brahman, so it is called Brahma Sutras. Brahma Sutra is the logical declarations of Vedanta Darshana. I am extremely sorry that the high related philosophy is very difficult to grasp and understand. So please cooperate with me so that I may simplifies little more. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sadhu Darshanam Papa Vimojanam.